Thanks to the coating on the rotors and the casing, the clearances between the rotors and between rotor and casing are extremely small. Moreover, when the compressor is running and the compressed air warms up the element, the rotor clearance is kept under control by the cooling jackets. To achieve this, the cooling medium, water or oil, flows through the double-sided casing of the element in an ingenious way. The cold cooling medium flows around the compressed air outlet, keeping the temperature of the casing low. Then the cooling medium flows around the bearing area. This is very important to avoid an increase in distance between the bearings of the two rotors and thus of the distance between the rotors themselves. So, thanks to the cooling jacket, the rotor clearances in a loaded element are fully under control. In an element without jacket, these clearances would increase. And because the rotor clearances have a direct impact on the element's performance, the efficiency of elements with jacket will be significantly higher than without jackets. And this is directly reflected